Good morning. Well, good morning. It's Saturday, 21st of February 2026, and I'm going into town essentially to get a newspaper, but I'm going in the car this time because I'm going to pick up a board that I left when we had a Baha'i stall in town, and I left one of the boards behind announcing what we were doing. So my good friends, the Rickard brothers, have promised to bring it to me. They promised last time. Oh, that was close. So I need to go out in the car and bring it back. Can't bring it back on my bike, that wouldn't work. So nipping into town, and I thought I'd just make a quick video as we go to see what we can see and have a look and see how the demolition's going on, and just a word to say about that and what's going to happen. Okay, so I'll see you in town. Have I said it's Saturday, 21st of February 2026 yet? Well, it is. I'm parked. It's actually called Justice Walk because the Justice Centre is over there, look. And today I'm just going to walk into town, a few little jobs to do, and I need to take the car to do it. So I thought I'd just call by the demolition here. I must show you the links of the footage I took before they knocked it down, and yeah, I'm pleased with that because it looks interesting. Anyway, oh look, so they've certainly made some progress and got all the buildings down that they're going to get down here. Oh, I still can't believe they're going to knock this library down. Sad that. But they promised the next one, the rebuild's going to be even better. It's been up since the 60s, that. We're just walking up Bridge Street, and behind me you can see the demolition that just took place. And as I walk this way, indeed all this on the left is coming down, and Debenham's on the right here apparently is going to stay, but look at the state of it. It's quite a bit of work to do to keep that in order. Ah, right, Nuneaton on a Saturday, love it. Well, despite the building being in bad order, these murals down below are fantastic and still in good nick. The green barriers on the left show the extent of the demolition, and the NatWest Bank will remain, so we're now in the area which will stay as it is. Oh, Bobby's dad, how you doing? Okay. Not so bad today, is it? No. There they are, busy as heck.
Oh, there he is. Here's the sign, man. Yeah. We bought it down on Wednesday. We bought it Wednesday. You were on holiday.
Well, I wasn't down here anyway. Leave it there for a minute. I'll pick it up on the way back. Have a go.
Once you get it wet, John.
Don't matter.
He said use it as fire fodder. I said no, John.
That's fair enough. That's fair enough. Thanks a lot for doing that. You're very considerate.
Yeah, it is. We had a meter put on it when you left it, and it's been there 2 weeks now, so it's wrapped up a bit.
Hey, your rhubarb looks nice. You growing that yourself?
Grown false rhubarb under our greenhouse bench, John.
Yeah, I'm growing some as well. Very nice.
Lorry load of pallets a week that's taken. Hello, teapot man.
Well, we had a table over here a couple of weeks ago, and we sort of taken in turns because here we've got the Muslims with their table. Let me just swing around and take a picture of it for you. Ta-da!
Morning.
Good morning.
You all right?
Say hello, Mickey.
Hello, how are we? Okay.
These cakes.
Oh, cakes, eh?
I had one of your pork pies last week. Didn't lose any weight that week.
Proper pork.
Very nice ones though. Take care. It's Mickey the cake man from Atherstone.
Might have to go back there now.
Well, it used to be W.H. Smith. T.G. Jones, what's that all about? Camera audio. I've got my paper, but I've gone and forgotten to bring a bag. So I'm going to have to stick it down my jumper. That'll do, mate.
Turn the box upside down. You've just missed it, I'm afraid, man.
Okay, no
Till what day today? So till Wednesday. More again Wednesday, more again Saturday.
We'll see Anna somewhere. She's in town today.
We're going to express quality, all dated, and it's got all the ingredients. Cabbage flake. Jumbo bags with cabbage flakes here, ladies.
One thing that's happened in the market to make it less of a cost to the council is that all the marketeers have to provide their own market stalls and put them up. So you can see Mickey has got a nice one. And these folk have had to put all this up. And these. So it means that the gangs of fellas they had working right from the early hours putting the market stalls up, they don't do that anymore. It's left to the marketeers themselves, but they seem to be managing to do it, so good for them. But it must be a bit more of a struggle, and it's always a struggle anyway because the weather can be atrocious, and they're here really early in the morning, about 6 o'clock, to get it all sorted. Look at this lot. 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Right? Oh well, there we go. Right, thank you. Well, a little bit of a snapshot about what's happening in Nuneaton today. Yep, it's all gone. It makes a big impression, doesn't it, when it's gone? Wow. And they're making a start on demolishing this as well. I think I'd best put the drone up and have another look. Just keep us informed. Okay, Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, you'll see me next time. Okay, bye-bye.